Can you sell on Amazon as a non-US citizen? Compañeros y compañeras, estamos aquí en Bangkok, Thailandia. I'm with the one and only Carolina.
Carry on.
De Peru. She's an Amazon seller. She's selling in the US. And she's obviously not American. She's Peruvian. We're also going to get into the details of everything you need to know if you are looking into selling on Amazon and you're not from the States. And she's also gonna share her story.
A lot of experience, yeah.
Yes. Where are you from in Peru?
Lima.
Lima, Peru. I have to visit someday. So I definitely have to visit. Let's just get straight into it. First thing, can you sell on Amazon if you're not American? Yes! Yes, you can.
Yes, you can.
Yes, you can. There is a huge list of countries: Albania, Algeria, Angola, Argentina, Armenia, Australia, Austria, Azerbaijan, Bangladesh, Belarus, Belgium, Benin. I don't even know what Benin is. Bolivia, Botswana, Brazil, Brunei, Bulgaria. Anyways, the full list is going to be linked below on my blog post. So, for all the little details that we leave out in this video, check my blog post below, and it's going to be like a full step-by-step guide on all the little details on how to do it. But let's go over the basics in this video. What are the main things that you need to have ready to go if you want to sign up for an Amazon seller account? This is what you need. You need a proof of address. You need to have a bank statement that shows your name and same address. And also you need to have a credit card with also the same address. So, bank statement with proof of address and a credit card. So basically that's how you do it.
Make sure is that all your documents have the same like address and name on it.
Okay.
So my problem was that, for example, I'm living in Thailand and my bank accounts are in Thailand. So it's really important that you have all your things in just one country. Either Peru, in my case, or Thailand, or wherever you are from, doesn't matter. Just make sure all your name, address, bank statements, everything is under one same address, one same name, one same country. Please don't make the same mistake I did.
Basically, you go to sellercentral.amazon.com, sign up for an account, click I want to be a seller, and you just use all of your personal information. Your personal bank account information, that is for most countries. Some countries, Amazon does not accept bank accounts from these countries, and the list will be in my blog post. In that case, you need to use a third-party payment platform.
Yes.
There's Payoneer and there's
Hyperwallet.
Hyperwallet. This is Amazon US, okay? Amazon.com. Now for Amazon Europe, they have different restrictions on the countries.
Yeah.
Also selling in Australia has a smaller list of countries that are able to sell.
Just check the list before trying. One thing that I want to make sure, guys, you need to have a credit card. It can't be a debit card. It has to be a credit card.
Credit card.
Sure. Yeah.
So overall mindset going into this, what would you tell someone, like, what's your mindset going into this?
So Amazon, as any other business, is something that will go right. It will be amazing. You can make money. You will make money. You will, okay? But in the path, it will be like not a lot, but some mini failures, and you gotta be prepared for that. I mean, it's just part of, as any other business in the world, you gotta have this mindset to just go through any obstacle.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Absolutely. We already told you the 3 tips of things that you need to have ready to go when you're opening your seller account.
Yeah, I agree.
And now what we're gonna do is transition into tips for beginners. Whether you are American or whatever, tips for beginners selling on Amazon. Some tips are coming from me and some tips are coming from her because she's a brand new beginner. Her product is selling and I've been selling on Amazon for over 3 years. So in the next video, we're gonna go over tips that all beginners should know when going to sell on Amazon. Okay, see you on the next video. Oh my god, it is hot.
It is. Here is amazing. You gotta come, guys.
All right, see you there.